Hi guys, welcome to the third section, Working with Analytical Data on Jupyter. In this section, we will start with heavy-duty data processing functions in Jupyter. After that, we will use pandas and SciPy in Jupyter. Finally, we will see expanding, sorting, and filtering data frames. Now, we move on to the first video of this section that deals with heavy-duty data processing functions in Jupyter. In this video, we're going to take a look at some of the in-Jupyter functions and determine if the functionality performs as expected. We'll be using NumPy functions in Jupyter. NumPy is a package in Python providing multidimensional arrays and routines for array processing. The NumPy package defines the array keyword, referencing a NumPy object with extensive functionality. The NumPy array processing functions run from the mundane, such as min and max functions, which provide the minimum and maximum values over the array dimensions provided, to more interesting utility functions for producing histograms and calculating correlations using the elements of a data frame. With NumPy, you can manipulate arrays in many ways. We will go over some of these functions. First, we will create a Python notebook and name it as NumPy function for array. Let's add the code in the Python notebook. First, we have imported the NumPy package. Then, we've created an array and used a print command to print the array. Next, we have calculated the maximum value in the array. After that, we've calculated the minimum value in the array. And finally, we've used the last line to determine the sum across the second axis. Let's run it. As you can see, array is created. The maximum value is 34. The minimum value is 1, and the sum across second axis is this. Let's look at the code to work over arrays with the more interesting histogram and correlate functions. Now, add the code in the NumPy histogram notebook. We will get through the code. First, we have imported the NumPy and random libraries. After that, we have set up 2 empty arrays. Next, we have set a seed so we can repeat the results. Using a for loop, we are populating the array. This line of code will produce a histogram of the data. And finally, we are calculating correlation between 2 columns. Let's run it. Here is the output. It makes sense that the buckets are very close in size. In this video, we've looked at the heavy-duty data processing functions in Jupyter.